There are 4 main reasons why New Year's resolutions don't work, and 4 reasons how you can make them stick. Let's dive into the first 4, why they don't work. Well, one reason is that you're probably setting unrealistic goals for yourself which you think are too difficult or impossible to achieve. Remember Henry Ford's famous quote, whether you think you can't or you think you can't, you're right. Number 2, you probably don't have a crystal clear plan for how to achieve your goals. Number 3, you don't have the necessary resources or support. And number 4, you become easily discouraged when you encounter any type of setback or obstacle. If you want your New Year's resolution to stick, here are 4 things you can do. Number 1, change your identity. When I embarked on learning meditation, I moved from I'm going to meditate 10 minutes a day to I am a meditator. When I wanted to lose weight, instead of saying I'm going to lose 10 pounds by June, I believed I'm physically fit and healthy. I'm an athlete. Number 2, create a when, not how plan. Break your goal down into smaller, more manageable steps and create a plan for not only how, but when in the day you will achieve each one. For example, if your goal is to exercise more, you might plan to go for a 30-minute walk every single day right after you drop off your kids from school. Number 3, find a great support system. Hire a certified coach who can give you encouragement. Number 4, be continuously inspired. Change takes time and it's normal to encounter setbacks. Listen to an inspirational podcast that will lift you higher. One of my favorite podcasts is 10% Happier by Dan Harris. If you do that, it'll make all the difference in the world and you'll stick to your New Year's resolutions.